Cheers for Thanksgiving 2022! Cousin Kyrie and I are going to cook this year's Thanksgiving feast. Now that we have written all that we are thankful for, it's time to plan our menu. We will have turkey, macaroni and cheese, greens, salad, cornbread, dressing, potatoes, and desserts. While we have most of our ingredients, we do need to go to the grocery store for a few more items. We need 5 cartons of eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we also need 6 gallons of milk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, our dinner calls for 8 onions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Finally, we will purchase 4 containers of juice. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's time to head home and begin to cook our Thanksgiving feast. Kyrie is in charge of the greens. I am going to make the macaroni and cheese. My mommy taught me how to make it, and let me tell you, it is delicious. For these greens, Kyrie is cutting 3 onions. 1, 2, 3. The turkey is ready to be cooked. While the turkey is cooking, I will begin making our famous macaroni and cheese. I need 4 cups of cheese. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we are moving on to the cornbread. I forgot the baking powder. Kyrie has just volunteered to head back out to the store to get baking powder. Our Thanksgiving feast is ready and the family is ready to eat. Friends, we hope that you have a joyous and wonderful Thanksgiving. Cheers to good food, family fun, and marvelous memories. Happy Thanksgiving 2022, friends!